Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to solve an equation with an x to the exponent as an exponent. So first I'm going to remind you some properties of power. So when we have a to the p multiplied by a to the q, it is a to the p plus q. So I'm going to rewrite the sum here. It's 4 times 4 to the 75. Okay. Equals 4 to the x. Four can be rewritten as 4 to the 1, because a equals a exponent 1. And by using the first property, we have 4 to the 1 multiplied by 4 to the 75 equals 4. 1 plus 75 equals 4 to the x. So 4 to the 75 to the 76 equals 4 to the x. Therefore, x equals 76. And that's our answer. So thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye.